So it's time for Hamilton's Nutsack, the reel, in our medley. Last tune, and it's kind of tricky, the break. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through it slowly, the first part, and then we'll discuss how, like, what the break is and how we're going to get into it from the strathspey. So we're going to do it slowly, and I'm going to, count out the double time, especially at this tempo, just so that you can kind of get this in your head, so when you're playing, you can line up the notes better. All right, so ha dum dee dee dum dee dee dum dee da dum dee dum da. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so again, that's a little quick, but I'm assuming that you guys have already learned the notes and have have your sheet music in front of you and are just using this to play along. So how we're going to go into the break, it is a little bit tricky because it's not a traditional break. So if you're looking at the music, you'll notice that there's like a repeat at the end of the first part, and then obviously second part, and then the reprise, and then the third, and then the last part. So what we're going to do is, if you look at the music, each part is written on 2 lines, right? Like it's first line, second line. That's the first part of the tune. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the second line from the first part, okay? So line 2, and we're going to play that at strathspey tempo, and then we're going to act like we're repeating the first part, and we're going to go 1, 2, ha dum dee dee bee dee bee ha dum dee dum bra, and we're going to play the first part just once. Okay, so the break will actually act as like the first time that we play the first part, and then the first time that we play it at the real tempo will be, in theory, the repeat. Okay, so from the strathspey, it'll go he de dum bra dum he dum bra da hum de hit de hum brum ha dum be de hum be de hum be ha dum he dum bra de he dum ba de ha dum he dum bra de he dum 1, 2 ha dum dee dum be dum be da dum he dum bra. Okay, so let's try that from the strathspey. From the he dum bra da he dum bri. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's how the tune is going to go from the strathspey into the reel. That's closer to playing tempo. Practice it slower than that, and then we will get to that tempo.